Road trip. Welcome back, guys. We are on the bike heading up to Cairns in far North Queensland. Going up there for work for a couple of days, and I thought, fuck it, I'm gonna take the bike. So here we go. It'll be about 400 k's plus detours and other shit I decide to do, but should be good. I'm pumped. Yeah, just got a backpack on the back with some other shit in it, and packed my little toolkit up, and I'm ready to roll. Alright, so while we're riding along, we'll have a bit of a talk about this Xville 80 bag you can see behind me. This is the first time I've strapped this on the back. Well, it's the first time I've done a decent long ride, actually. And man, oh, you can just lean back and relax. It is so good. Like, words don't do it justice. Overtake. Yeah, man, something to lean on. Like, you can really dig in, get comfortable. It's going to be awesome for long rides. Even if I'm just doing like a big day trip, I'm just going to pack it full of rags or something like that, just to fill it out and yeah, bring it closer to your back. But this is dead set spot on at the moment. I'm loving it, and I'm about 2 minutes into the ride. It is fucking cold. I left my good gloves at work again, like I always fucking do, so I just got these ones out of the truck, so better than nothing, but only just. Oh, look at that for a shadow. That's how you know you're in for a good time, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! I hope the wind's not too bad. I did put the fucking beard crusher wind curtain back in, just because I knew I'd be on the phone a bit on this trip, so I thought that might be important for telephone calls. So we had some pretty decent bushfires go through here not too long ago, as you can tell. But lucky there's no houses or anything near here. Just reminded me of you, J-Mac, so shout out, brother, how you going? Righto, well, fucking hell, I'm really regretting these gloves, because they're not tech friendly like my fucking good ones are. Every time I get a fucking phone call or a text message or whatever, I've got to pull a glove off to answer the fucking thing. So I might be ignorant today, guys. If you're trying to ring me, you'll know why when you watch this video. Don't know whether I need to be talking this loud or not. Or maybe I could just talk normally and see if we notice a difference when we edit the video. I sound like a fucking news presenter. Don't know if I can do this and keep a straight face. Alright, well that's Cardwell and the coffee fix done for the morning. Let's get back into it. So this little video of Cardwell Beach shows all along the front there, and up you can see the jetty in the distance on the left hand side. Well, that is where this photo was taken, which is just up here, and that's about a 4.5 meter saltwater crocodile right on the front here. That's why you can't go swimming anywhere up in North Queensland, because of those fuckers. Yeah, I think the photo was taken around here somewhere. There's the jetty. Beautiful spot, eh? Beautiful. There's the pub. Not a bad view, looking straight out over there. Oh, nice Dyna Wideglide too. So here's a little pointer if you're doing a few longer type rides. I find if you move around, like change positions more often than you feel you need to, you'll be grateful for that later on in the day. Like if you wait until you get sore in a particular position then move, that position you just moved out of is no longer on the cards. Like you can't go back to that one later. So yeah, if you wiggle around a lot more, I think it makes it better for you. Like stretch your legs out, move your ass, you know, go from one cheek to the other cheek and put one foot, you know, put your left foot up on your primary like that, give it a stretch, kick them out. I think if you do that, you're mixing it up all the time, keep the blood flow going. I think your body will really thank you later in the day. I've only done 164 Ks, but I feel brand new, as I should. But I do need fuel. Well, I've got 3 lights left on me smiley face after 164 Ks. So if you are curious about fuel consumption with a stage 5, there you go. Well, we only got 95 dead dinosaurs today, guys. That'll have to do. Fucking hell, $1.62. I don't miss ya. Well, that's Cardwell done and dusted. We're fueled up and back on the road. Next stop is Tully. We'll see you there. Well, there's the sign for Paranella Park. That's that one I put photos up of. I don't think we'll go there today. We'll save that for another ride. Just enjoying a bit of scenic roadworks. Fucking spot on, guys. Love what you did with the cones. Oh dear, I could fucking just go to sleep. Probably shouldn't, but it'll end badly. have been a bad spot to stop for lunch there actually, but I didn't get any food. Oh well. So what's your go-to music for your long trips, guys? I have had a fucking mixed bag. I had some Zach Brown, and then I just put on the Machine Gun Kelly album. I've just been rocking out to that, so passes the time. I like it. I'll show you what I meant about parking close to the room. And we're here. That's what I meant. Well, there you go, guys. That's Cairns. We made it. We didn't die. It was cool. We did some work. Now let's go back to the room and drink some beers. So I don't know if this is going to be a 1 or a 2 part or what sort of video. Don't know how much shit I talked on the way up. I do have to admit, not having my Sena turned on was a lot more peaceful without that motherfucker ringing all the time. Never again will I forget my fucking tech-friendly gloves. These motherfuckers are shit. You cannot press buttons. Alright guys, so Cairns is done. If you liked the video, can I please get a thumbs up out of you? If you didn't, feel free to chuck that one on it. I don't care, I've got thick skin. And if I haven't got a headbutt out of you, smash that subscribe button. And I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Oh, would you look at that? Look at the time. It's beer o'clock. Let's do this. Honey, I'm home.
6 months later.
Oh, fucking hell. Alright. Oh. That's slippery. Alright, have I mentioned fuck Cairns? Man, oh, I'm hungover. This is gonna be a fucking long ride home. Oh fuck, don't crash. Man, the road is fucking slippery as. Alright, so welcome back guys. I have zero fucking enthusiasm today. I'm on my way home from Cairns and I'm hungover as a motherfucker. We went out for, we were supposed to be going home at 9 o'clock and that turned into a fucking bender, as it always does, but yeah, I don't even know what time we got home. I did wake up in my hotel room, so that's a bonus. But I feel like fucking shit. I feel like someone broke into my hotel room, did a shit in my mouth, and then fucking left. But the upside to today is I'm fucking going home, so... Oh, fuck. I got a smiley face here. The weather's fucking terrible. The road's slippery as fuck. I'm just gonna try and not die and make it home in one piece, so I'm not gonna be real talkative guys, so I might commence radio silence Now,
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
hopefully it was a good video up until this point. So give us that one, or fucking this one, or fucking headbutts. You know what to do. Righto, catch ya.